When I agreed to make a video about this, I didn't exactly think through how difficult it might be. I didn't actually take the time to think about the difficulties I might run into when trying to make a review video about something that I can't actually take a video of myself using. But I think my description and my experience told in words will be plenty for you guys to understand. Now let's talk in terms of actually saving money by using a bidet, by cutting back on toilet paper use. Now I have a household, there's 3 of us, soon to be 4 of us. You talk about good toilet paper, realistically, we're spending hundreds of dollars per year on toilet paper, which means one of these units pays for itself in not that long. You can buy even a premium bidet, and it can pay for itself in about 2 years' time. I have to start off by saying that this is not a sponsored video. I'm not getting paid in any way to make this video for this website or for this company, but I am going to set up on their website an affiliate link. So if any of you want to make a purchase on their website, you can use my link and I'll make a small commission from it. So this right here is exactly how it came out of the box. We have the actual unit, which is surrounded by the styrofoam. We have this nice, it's not plastic, metal remote. We'll go into that in a second. We have lots of pieces of hardware. Let's pull out the unit itself. So here's the unit. As you can see, it's pretty sleek looking. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna get this thing installed, and we're gonna talk about my review as someone who's never even used one of these units before, how practical they are, how it fits, how easy it is to install. Oh, you know, because I don't want to use the remote. Okay, so the plumbing is taken care of. You see this T adapter that goes to the toilet right here. That's what we put in, so we can just connect the main water supply to the bottom of that, and then we add this extra water line right here that comes out the side, out this hose, and right into the side of the bidet right here, just with this little clasp holding it together. The whole thing on took about 15-20 minutes. The difficult part is going to be powering it, because we're going to have to use this extension cord. There is no outlet anywhere near the toilet, but there is one over there behind that towel rack, so we're gonna have to rig something up for now. This is a rental that we're in. We don't own this place. If it were my place, I would try and get some power to the side of the vanity here, but unfortunately that's not the case. Maybe wherever we end up we will, but for now we're going to run it off of here and we're about to test it out. So I just had to take 2 hands and really force it in. Felt like it was going to break the plastic. That's why I was really careful about not forcing it, but I guess that's just what it takes. So now it's sitting, oh shoot. Well, be careful of that too. There's an O-ring. All right, let's get this thing set up and test it out. Wow, that's pretty cool. It's got a night light feature. I've never had that in a toilet before. So this is definitely going to take some getting used to. There's lots of adjustments, temperatures, lights, cleaning things, positions, what have you. So this is definitely going to take me a good week or so before I can finish up this video, because I'm going to have to give you an honest assessment. My first thought is it's kind of alarming being sprayed, having never been before. So it's going to take a little bit of getting used to. So I will get back to you about this. It's been about 3 weeks since I received the unit, and it's time for me to give you guys my opinion and an official review of what I think of it as somebody who's never actually used a bidet before. So first off, it's a very foreign thing. Those of you who've used a bidet, the first time you did, you probably were taken by surprise. When my wife sat down to use it the first time and she turned it on, she actually screamed and got up. I had to explain to her that there was an easy way to use that remote control to make the pressure the absolute minimum so that you can test it out and start using it the most, let's say, comfortable way possible. Hey look, there's a squirrel. I want to go through the features. What makes this unit so much different than just say your average $20 toilet seat is that it's heated, as well as having the bidet feature that sprays and cleans you, as well as having a dryer feature that is also heated. All three of which come together to make a much more pleasant experience than say just sitting on your average cold toilet seat, especially on a winter morning. First, obviously I was a little bit skeptical. I said, you know, I'll give it a try, but I really didn't think it would be something that would last or that we would actually like, and my wife was the same way. After a day or so of having it installed, we both kind of thought we were going to remove it, but after a week, we both knew for sure we wanted to keep it. So I am going to create an affiliate link, which will take you guys to the website, and I can earn a small commission if you choose to buy a unit. But this is not a paid video. I'm getting paid nothing to make this video. But if anybody ever uses that link, I will get paid something. Now, I'm not a salesman, and I don't make videos to sell things. I'm just sharing my honest opinion as somebody who's never ever used a bidet before. Coolest thing about it is that it's so easy to set up. You do have to have an outlet in your bathroom though, because it does require to be plugged in. But I appreciate you guys watching. I probably won't do too many videos on this sort of topic in the future. This is kind of a one-off, but I wanted to say that if you want to buy a bidet or you're watching this video because you were already looking at one of these bidets, you can rest assured that it's a good quality product and everything works right out of the box. Super simple to set up.